Hey everyone, it's Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me today. I have one of the new Be Happy boxes. This is the pressed florals. So let's go ahead and dig into this. They actually have two boxes that just came out, the pressed florals and the Valentine's Day. So beautiful tissue paper like always. Bloom with Grace is the little sticker, and I can never tear this off without ripping the paper. Yep. So here is the little description about what is inside. So I got the sticker box, the Build Your Own sticker book, 10 coloring sheets, and 3 30-sheet sticker books. So we're going to take all this out. And I got this because the florals are my absolute favorite sticker books that Happy Planner has, and I use them all the time. So you can't go wrong. So here is the sticker box. I'm not going to put it together yet. I'm just going to show you the stickers that came. So here are the Color Your Own. And you're going to, or I got 2 10-sheet coloring sheets. Sticker sheets. Yeah. So there's 20 right here. And then we got this Beauty in Florals. I love, love, love the colors already. Beautiful sticker book. There's that one. And then we got the pressed florals. And then we've got sophisticated florals. I love these. Those are some of my favorites. Very different feelings in all 3 of those books. And then you've got you create your own sticker pack. So the package includes 1 sticker sheet pack, 1 sticker sheet, and 1 sticker sheet. So I guess what you do is you take it out and you make your own. Like you can take out your stickers from some of your favorite books and then add them in here. Ah, so that's what that is. So you unscrew this, and then you just add your own stickers and make your own book. So if you were going somewhere and you were planning on the go and you didn't want to take 30 books with you, just pull out the sheets that you wanted. Genius! Genius, genius, genius. So that is everything that came with my pressed florals Be Happy box. If they still have them available, I highly recommend it. It really was not that much for what you are getting. So thank you for stopping by, and until next time, bye guys.